My name is Mandar Mantri. I am basically from Pune. By profession, I am an engineer and employee in an automobile company. Photography is my hobby. And during the COVID period, I came across with your first session of art and photography. And this I have joined, and then I joined your group. And slowly, I started developing my photography by practicing, taking inputs from your workshop and sharing photos on the WhatsApp media and getting feedback from your side. Then, then there was some fear in my mind about lighting conditions, so which was not very familiar, and there are always some doubts in the mind.
So when you
And
said lighting, the flashlights you mean?
flash lights or studio lights,
Studio
flashlights or
lights.
studio
Okay.
lights, basically.
Okay. Please.
So then there are some people who insisted in the group to have some session on the studio lighting or flash lighting, and I'm very thankful to you to arrange this workshop. Though it is online, it is very much impressive. Basically, the entire setup which you have maintained to show the live demonstration, model how the light is focused, how the flash is set, how the flash is triggered, etc., etc. That is very much impressive, and I can say confidently that I have removed my all doubts from this workshop, and now I can start using, at least start with one flash, and then develop my skills with other flash. The system which are developed about placing cameras or 3 4 cameras, and every time showing first setup, second setup, room view, then live views, that has given a practical knowledge. It is seems it's like that I am practically working at your side, and I am taking the photographs. That was the my impression, and I am very much again thankful to you, and see you again to have some more workshop like this.
Thank you, Mandar,
Thank you.
for all your
Thank you.
kind words. And
Yeah.
yes, the multi-camera setup. I mean, making use of technology. We can do a lot of things nowadays. And so this is camera one, camera two, the
Yeah.
room view, right? So I think that was all useful.
Correct.
Great.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Thanks.
much.
Yes. Thank you. कौन आ रहा है? रामा प्रसाद आइए. Yes, Mandar, you can drop.